In this lecture, we will learn about AVG function in SQL. The AVG or average function returns the average value of the given numeric column. The AVG function will only work on numeric columns. For columns containing string values, it will always return 0. Here is the SQL statement showing use of AVG function. Let's learn about AVG function with some practical examples. I have logged in my MySQL database server. I will select school database, use school, and execute a simple SQL statement to display all the records from students table. Select star from students. In the result set, we have a age column with numeric values. Let's get the average age of students from age column. The SQL statement will be select AVG in the bracket age column as average age from students, and we get the average age value of the students from students table. If we try to run the average function on string value column, like select AVG first name from students, we get 0 value. Now I will select online shop database and execute a simple SQL statement to display all the records from orders table. Select star from orders. Now let's get our average earning by using SQL statement. Select AVG from total column as average earning from orders table, and we have made an average earning of $201 on every order.